I first met you, I was instantly drawn to your energy.
Like this.
I want to start off by telling you how much I deeply love and care about you.
You bring so much joy and love to those around you. You continuously give love to everyone, even when you are stretched so thin. You see the good in everyone and know how to draw it out of them.
You are so special to me because being around you calms the energizer buddy side of me. You recharge me. Your calmness is what gravitated me towards you from day one. Your calmness has always guided me through any uncertainty and smoothed out any nervousness and anxiety when I needed the most, like right now.
When we first met, I was totally a different person. You drew the best out of me and showed me a side of myself I never knew existed. You make me the best version of myself every day.
We have such polar opposite energies and approaches that we literally are explaining the same thing but in two different ways, like how we should play our dinner table. Me, placemat, charger, dinner plate. You, dinner plate, charger, placemat. Bottom to top versus top to bottom. Because that's why they say opposite attracts. And it always has to have perfect balance. You, more than anyone else, know my insecurities and my weaknesses, and still never make me feel inadequate. You have always loved me without reservations. He praised me in a way I never thought was possible, and because of you, I am the best woman I can be. In this marriage, I will always be your 100%. And you will always be my other 100%. We have to be full first before we can love each other fully. There will be times that test us, but won't define us. Your love will always speak directly to my heart, and when it does, we love completely and freely. At that point, all I can do is crack and only love you more. You will always be my love, my hiking buddy, my foodie partner in crime. But best of all, you will always be my best friend in life.
It feels like you opened up the multiverse and connected me to all different versions of myself. Just like in the movie, Everything, Everywhere, All at Once. You taught me what it means to be a life partner. In my younger years, I never liked calling my partner a best friend because I thought that was some cheesy line. But I understand what that means now. We truly are my best friend. I know my variants, and each universe would choose you as their partner. So on behalf of all my variants, I vow to care for you, support you, and love you. Everything, everywhere, all at once.
Ah! Run! Just kidding.
You've been drinking.
I
can tell you're red. It's okay.
it's good and it's right. I'd give it all just to have you tonight. When you say you're in love, makes me come undone. Something perfectly wild, spinning round like a child. Oh, in all that you are good for my heart. Something rare, something strong, stands against all the odds. Love that blooms in the dark. You are good for my heart. Nothing compares to feeling at home. The look in your eyes, bringing peace to my soul. Something magnetic, wholesome and true. Of all the gifts
Yaia and Mason are to proclaim their love and commitment to one another in the eyes of these loved ones, and with the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church in the state of Minnesota, I am so happy to pronounce you as husband and wife. You may kiss to seal your bond everlasting.
Something perfectly wild, spinning round like a child. Oh, in all that you are good for my heart. Something rare, something strong, stands against all the odds. Love that blooms in the dark. Something perfectly wild, spinning around like a child. Oh, in all that you are good for my heart. Something rare, something strong, stands against all the odds. Love that blooms in the dark. Something perfectly wild, spinning round like a child. Oh, in all that you are good for my heart. Something rare, something strong, stands against all the odds. Love that blooms in the dark. You are good. You are good for my heart.
같은 너의 그 미소 까만 먹구름에 쌓인 내게로 살며시 내게 다가온 그대와의 노래로 우린 하나라는 느낌을 느끼고 사랑은 언제나 내 맘속에 그저 마치 말대로 너와 함께하는 시간 내 속에서 포근해지는 건 Everyday to the J and I keep it high
Get with that 소중한 넌 나의 ticket 힘들던 나의 삶의 고통을 잊게
Slow down Sean
세상에서 무엇보다도 내가 너를 좋아하게 된 이유 너무나 긴 방황의 길 그곳으로 내게 손을 내밀 너의 손길 그대 왜 내게 이렇게 늦게 다가와 나 사랑해 you're my love
I know your eyes in the morning sun I feel you touch me in the pouring rain And the moment
ขณะยาขณะนี้อาตมีอยากเคยจะมานั่งซื้อในเหล่าเจ้าเลยในยังจะเชื่อเลยเจปุษาจะในวันไม่ที่มีอยู่ในยอลามูก็เคยไปจะเหล่าก็ไปปอดเลยในปอดเนี่ยแต่วันนี้จีเราไปจัวตัวเนี่ยได้เขียนนอกีแล้วกูต่ออยู่ยากแต่ตรงทางซีเจไปสามดอกไปเอาตัวเมย์ตรงนี้สิเรานี่จะมีอยู่สักตัวเชื่อนะ
He couldn't pick the better wife. Okay, you're so smart, you're beautiful, and I remember you said you promised me that I will be a grandfather in 3. So I'm gonna keep your promise, okay? All right.
Mason, you are one of my greatest blessings. You were such an easy and kind little boy. And then, honey, at the blink of an eye, you grew up and became a man. I'm so happy you found your happily ever after in Yaia. Yeah, you are such a fun, loving, and happy soul. Your spirit just livens up our family and are just the perfect addition to us. So I would like to thank you, Joan Batyo for raising one of the kindest human beings I'm so blessed to now also be able to call my own daughter. I don't know what I did to deserve you, but I'm so thankful you said yes to Mason. So, Joan and Batyo, I'm honored our two families are joining, and I can't wait for all that God has in store for us to experience together as a family. Mason and Ya, I pray for God to bless this marriage with continued good health, wealth, and prosperity as you expand on the legacy of your forefathers. There will be good days and bad days, but if you remember today and think back to the love and joy that we all witnessed today, it will remind you of why you said I do to each other for eternity. I love you both with all my heart times eternity. The best is yet to come, so here is to love, laughter, and happily ever after.
Cause